Just in case you haven't looked at your calendar, today is Fat Tuesday. For many, that means we can eat anything and everything because all that changes tomorrow since it's Ash Wednesday. So what do you say we indulge ourselves with a Mardi Gras and New Orleans classic that is party perfect? If you guess we're making beignets, you're right. We start with a 1-pound loaf of frozen bread dough that we've thawed. To that, we knead in a bit of powdered sugar and roll it out on a cutting board. Now, we cut this into 2-inch squares and gently drop them in a deep skillet that has about an inch or so of shortening that we've heated up. Once they're browned on one side, we'll flip them over, and in seconds, they're done. All that's left to do is shake on some powdered sugar, maybe put on a pot of chicory coffee, like they drink in New Orleans, and let the party begin. So don't dilly-dally. Go online now, as our recipe for Mardi Gras Beignets is waiting for you. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fun and festive way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.